What up, YouTube? The moment we all been waiting for. The most liked comment to blow the 38,000 mile EG hatch. My brother got it pulled up on his phone. I'm kind of upset at you guys at the comments, right? You was upset too?
They let me down.
You guys didn't leave savage enough comments how to blow this car up. If it was me, I would have left some really wild. I think the most liked comment was what? 3, drop it from 3rd to 2nd, or from 2nd to 1st, or from 3rd to 1st, or 2nd to 1st. We already paid out the winner $500.
So his name is JXY on YouTube. We'll just call him Jay. So he said,
so read the comment.
He said, put on the road and go 3-1 or 2-1 until it blows. But I don't want it to blow up yet.
It's not gonna blow up.
What I think is gonna happen from a 3-1 is the clutch is probably gonna slip. I don't think the motor's gonna blow.
And we got my boy J-Rock in the seat today, full send king. So we're gonna. This is the intro to the intro, so we're gonna start the video. We're gonna try to blow it up. If it doesn't blow up, we're gonna blow it up our way. And stay tuned. We have a crazy montage. You guys need to see this. The most insane, I think, most epic video I think we've done yet, besides blow those cars up. But so let's go blow this car up. You guys,
I think we're ready.
you ready to go? You guys are single cam killers over here. Make sure to flame these dudes in the comments for, you know, ripping apart my unicorn.
Yo, you're still crying. We're like 4 videos in,
shit, bro.
Just shut up already. Just start the video. Hondas are meant for. Grocery getter, baby.
With some bubbly.
I ain't gonna lie to you guys. This single cam life is kind of nice and quiet.
So this is what videos would be like if we were in a single cam, JR. Go ahead. Show JR shifted. Let's see.
I might have to go back in first. Let's let the RPM come up a little bit.
You can't even. There's no RPM.
I'm fucking flooring you. I'm falling asleep.
What YouTube wants?
I don't know. I feel like the 1.6 would have had a little bit more power.
I didn't even pass 60.
That's why you guys want to blow it up, right? But anyway, stay tuned. We're about to blow this car up, so you got to watch the whole video. It's not going to blow up on a 3-1 shift, personally, I don't think. But
I say just keep showing them the video. Let them, because YouTube never see the single cam, so.
You think he put some milk in his fucking engine?
I don't know. That should probably definitely needed a chain. I don't think so. Drop in the comments right now if you guys think it's going to blow up on a 3-1 shift. We're going to high RPM third gear and then drop it into first. So I don't think it's going to blow up.
Show them Jared shift.
It's first gear.
It's my shift light.
This shit ain't blowing up,
Ready?
Bro.
This shit ain't doing nothing.
We're in Mexico City, boys. Don't try this at home. Alright, boys, here goes nothing. Yo, Jack, put your seatbelt on, bro. Safety first. Because this right here, I'm gonna give you guys a quick rundown about what's about to go down, right? So, top of third gear is like 70, 80 miles an hour. Top of first gear is about 35 miles an hour. So if the truck, if the Civic doesn't take third to first, because that's a high mile an hour to go back into first gear. If it doesn't take first gear, we're gonna go back, try it again. We're gonna do a third to second. But let's hope it takes first gear. You think she's gonna spill the guts?
I don't know.
So we dropped the boys off. The boys are in a separate car. They're gonna get the outside video just in case shit spills out everywhere. So they're gonna I'm gonna get an outside view for you guys. We are on the connector in Mexico. We are gonna try to do a third to first gear. So let's hope it goes into gear. We're gonna try to jam it into gear. So like I said, top of third gear is like 70 to 80, I think like 75 mile an hour. So let's try it, bro.
You ready?
Yeah, let's go.
So third to first.
Third to first, but hold on, you forgot something.
Hopefully we don't get copyrighted for this.
I think we'll be alright. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. Let me turn this off. I think I'm kind of nervous. Third to first is like top of second is 60. I hope it goes in, but oh man. Yo, I'm gonna get the cluster view. Oh. It's gonna take it?
I don't know, take it.
Huh?
Fucking truck, man.
Alright, we're gonna try it again.
Fuck, yo.
Quick intermission, boys. Need to do a U-turn.
We had a little fucking failure. There's a truck we came up too quick on. So,
quick intermission.
turn around in the middle of the fucking highway in the grass. Don't do this shit at home.
That's some high grass. Yeah, fuck it, just send it, bro.
Off-roading, maybe? Maybe a stock Civic is good for something.
Alright, second gear. Second, we're gonna put in the third. I'm fucking nervous. I'm nervous, but whatever. Third gear.
This shit hurts putting it back into first.
70, 80 miles an hour. Oh my god.
This is gonna hurt, man.
This is gonna hurt. Just go ahead and send it, bro.